Hi, everybody. I'm Amy Swanson of June Cashmere, and I'm excited to have Taylor Harris with me because we're introducing her brand new pattern. So go ahead, Taylor, tell us.
Okay, hi everybody. Yeah, I'm Taylor Harris, and this is my new pattern. It's called Morgan, and this is knit out of the June Cashmere fingering. You use, I believe it's size 2 or 3 needles. I can't remember.
I think it's
Uh,
two, if I looked. But of
okay,
course, to get gauge, whatever it takes for you to get
yeah,
gauge.
of course, whatever it takes. So this piece has a split hem, and the back hem is just a little bit longer than the front, which I think is really, really flattering. And you knit this in pieces from the bottom up. So you'll start with that back hem, and then you'll knit the front hem, and or the back all the way up. And then you'll knit the front all the way up, starting from the bottom, and you'll join the shoulders. And there's just a tiny, tiny bit of seaming, which is the neck extensions. But after that, it's all finished. So it's actually really simple to knit. So it makes it a really nice, relaxing knit, and a great one to learn seaming. So yeah.
Awesome. We're going to do some more little videos, so keep watching because we are going to pop back in with little details, show you all the different little details of the new Morgan vest, as well as details about the KAL starting at the end of January. So cool.